Onegaishimasu. Let's take a look at Maigeri. So Maigeri, one of the first kicks you will learn in karate. One leg forward, one leg back, relaxed stance. And what you want to do, bring your knee up, okay? Turn your foot up. Now here, you want to kick with the ball of your foot. Try not to kick with your toes, not at this stage. Put your foot back as much as possible. So you need to make sure you're stretching that. I've seen a lot of people don't have the flexibility. Good way to stretch. Sit on them, so your toes are curved. So you can nicely stretch that out. You need to make sure your ball of the foot is making contact when you're doing Maigeri. Now Maigeri itself, if you're here, guard, the kick is like a whip. You don't want it to be static. It's a very circular motion kick. The kick itself, from here, if I do it, Now if you look at the kick, it comes up. My leg touches my bum effectively. As it comes up, you bring your knee up. So that's moving up, this is moving upward, knee is moving forward. It's almost like you're winding up a toy or something, right? It's that wind up, and then there's the release. So you bring that up, and the hip is in it. Without the hip, you don't have anything there. It just becomes there. A lot of people try to do this. Flat kick. No, you're going to try to use your hip. You can ricochet. Kicking with the ball. You see? With the ball. You practice that with both legs. Same principle. Bring it up. So what you want to do is you want to break this up. Try not to do it in one go when you're learning. Bring your knee up. Bring your knee up. Your knee should be up as you kick. Don't kick from here. Bring your knee up. And you release. When it comes here, release. Hard kick to do, to get right. But with practice and stretching, everything plays in. Maigeri from the front. Same thing on the side. The kicking, the supporting foot stays still. So as you kick, don't turn your foot. As you kick, don't turn your foot. Foot stays, in position. Okay? Don't twist your foot out. Keep it nice and strong. When learning Maigeri, start off with balance. Balance is key. So practice here. Keeping your feet up, knee up. Keep it level. It doesn't have to go high. Just level and get used to that. The balancing, making sure one foot, the other leg, don't straighten it. Bend the knee so you keep control. Grip with the supporting foot. Keep this here. Now balance with that. Switch. Balance. You have to practice your balance before anything else. Do one step at a time. If you find it hard to hold your foot up, just relax. Keep your knee up. Practice that first. Then you can work your way up, but balance is key. If you're kicking someone without balance, there's no point. You're going to end up on the floor. Balance, and don't kick beyond your limits. Start nice and easy. If your flexibility is low, start practicing here. Then move up. You don't need to kick head height straight away. 3. Not that. どうもありがとうございました。